What's the best way to organize your agency's Facebook Business Manager and your client's Business Manager Facebook page ad accounts? Do you create an ad account for them in your Business Manager? Do you set one up and have all your clients in it? Or do you just sort of share access? What do you do? What's the best scenario here? Here's what we recommend and why. We recommend that you do something called Partner Access. Partner Access gives you full admin access to your customers' assets without putting them inside your Business Manager. The reason you don't want to create your clients' assets from your Business Manager is because they could potentially shut down your whole operation, which would not be good. When you get multiple customers using your ad account and somebody posts something on their Facebook page that Facebook doesn't like, or an ad gets rejected too many times, Facebook could restrict your entire ad account or even your entire Business Manager or all your Facebook assets. It's a really bad idea to put all of your customers into that one basket because one person can shut down everyone. But if you partner, that does not happen. If you partner with somebody whose ad account gets shut down, it's not going to affect the rest of your clients. It will keep them protected. Everyone will keep running. You just have to fix that one person's issues. And because you have partner access, you can go in and fix it for them. So let's walk through how to set up partner access right now. Okay, so we have our client who is Kelly Chiropractic, and we have our agency who is Carlson Marketing, and we're going to share partner access. The thing that you need in order to share access with your clients is your Business Manager ID. And you can actually see that ID right up here at the top. So business_ID equals, and this number right here is your Business Manager ID. So you're going to copy that. And I do recommend putting this inside your onboarding document. That's where we kept ours. And when we onboarded someone, we would go into their Business Manager, and under users, we would select partners, and then partner to share assets with, we would go ahead and select add, and then we would paste that in, and then we would select next. And then we would pick the page that we wanted access to. So it might be under new page experience, or if they have an old page, it might be under classic pages. So make sure you're selecting the correct page that you're running ads on. And then we want full control over everything. We just want to be able to help them out wherever we can. And then we're going to go to ad accounts, and we're going to select their ad account. Again, make sure it's the ad account that they want to use to pay for their ads. And again, you're going to manage with full control. And then you will hit Save Changes. Now, you're not done yet. That's step one. So now they can see under partners that Carlson Marketing is here. But if I go under Carlson Marketing, I can go under pages, and I can see that Kelly Chiropractic DC is in there. And I can see that my ad account for Kelly Chiropractic is in there as well. Here's the last step. Notice that when I select this, nobody shows up under having access. So there's one more step that Facebook wants you to do. Even though they're in your Business Manager, they still want to know who in your Business Manager should have access. So what you're going to do is select that name. You're going to hit Assign People, and you're going to select everybody in your business who is in your Business Manager that you want access to this. And then you're going to give them that full control. So we'll go ahead and hit Assign. Done. I will do the page. Kelly Chiropractic, assign. We're going to assign Heather to this. All right, so we'll do everything, and then we will assign. Done. So now we see that in my Business Manager, the only person who can go in and edit anything is Heather. So if you have multiple people inside your Business Manager, feel free to add whoever it is that you want added on there. Also from here, now that I see this page in my business manager, I can view the page, I can edit the page, I can do whatever it is that I need to do to help my client out. So you can see I've got access to Kelly Chiropractic, and I can go in and edit whatever I need to, or add a post if you wanted to. And then on their ad account, same thing, I can open an ads manager, and now I can go in if I needed to edit something on their ads or fix an issue or push something through. I can go in and I have full access to do all of that. All right, guys, that's it. That's all you have to do to set up partner access. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments. Like and subscribe. We'll see you later.